Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Indeed login problems. Verification and access help step by step clearly. Open your web browser or the Indeed mobile app and make sure you are using the latest version. Check your internet connection by loading another website or switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Go to Indeed.com and confirm the page is not down by trying it in a different browser or device. Tap Sign In and carefully retype your email address to avoid typos and extra spaces. Enter your password slowly and verify caps lock is off and your keyboard language is correct. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Your Password and request a reset email. Open your inbox and also check spam, junk, promotions, and all mail for the reset message. Click the reset link and create a strong new password that you have not used before. Return to the sign-in screen and log in using the new password. If you do not receive emails, add Indeed.com to your safe sender list and try again. Make sure you are signing in with the same method you used before, such as email, Google, or Apple. If you used Google or Apple login, choose that button instead of typing an email and password. If verification codes are required, keep the Indeed window open and request a new code. Check that your phone number and email on file are correct if Indeed asks you to confirm them. If you see a security warning, complete the verification and avoid using public Wi-Fi during login. Clear your browser cache and cookies for Indeed. Then restart the browser and try again. Disable browser extensions like ad blockers or script blockers that may interfere with sign-in. Try an incognito or private window to rule out saved cookies and extension conflicts. If the app is failing, force close the app, reopen it, and try signing in again. On mobile, clear the Indeed app cache and device settings, or reinstall the app if needed. Check your device date and time settings and set them to automatic to prevent verification errors. If your account appears locked, wait 15 to 30 minutes and then try again with the correct password. If you believe your account was compromised, reset your password immediately and review recent activity. Confirm you are not using a VPN or proxy, then try again because some security checks may block them. If you get an error message, write it down and take a screenshot to help support diagnose it. Visit Indeed Help Center and search for login, verification, or account access articles. Contact Indeed support with your account email, the error details, and what you already tried. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.